Welcome to Semantic Web News. I'm Patrick Lambrechts, and today's topic is about removing wrong information from ontologies. Is this an issue? We ask an average man in the street. Hey, I'm an average man in the street. I know ontologies, of course, I know them very well, but there are always problems, always mistakes. Then you try to remove the mistakes, and then you use automatic system, and they remove whatever they want, so they can remove correct information. And then there's some other systems that recommend you what to do, but they always recommend you to take away too much information. So yes, problems, definitely problems. Thank you, average man in the street. Fortunately, help is on the way. Researchers Ying Li and Patrick Lambrechts claim to deal with these issues by integrating ontology debugging, completion, and axiom weakening. More information is available at their poster presentation at this week's ISWC. This was today's topic. Thank you for watching. This was Semantic Web News. This video was brought to you by Linköping University Low Budget Productions. When I say low, I meant extremely low.